Namaste everyone. Right now I am talking about the how to use the Giloy. You can see the Giloy, locally known as Gurjo, Lahara in Nepali language. You can see. Uh, in my previous video, I already discussed about the health benefit of Giloy, Gurjo, or Amrita. You can say in your local language as well. Many other languages in their one community. Right now, I am talking about how to use the Giloy. First, you need to cut it down. It's cut it down and make the small pieces. Make the small pieces, and you need to uh, copper jug, copper bottle. You need, and then you can put some water, whether it will be boiled water or cold water, whatever you like, and then you can after 24 hours you can use regularly. And I urge all of you that please make the habit to drink Giloy water, Gurjo water, every day as possible. If you not possible for every day, at least you can use once a week or once a month, at least once a month. It is very good for the health. Right now I am showing you how to prepare the Giloy or Gurjo syrup in your home. Go ahead. Hi everyone. Right now I am discussing about how to prepare Gurjo Giloy Amrita syrup in your own home. It is a very simple method. First, you need the copper jug with full of water. Because why I use the copper jug? Because copper is very important for our health. It really reduces the excessive acid in our stomach and also link with the heart related problem also. So that please use the copper jug as possible. uh, this is the copper jug with full of water. You can see this, and this is the climber of Amrita Giloy or Gurjo in Nepali language. You can see the climber of Gurjo or Giloy. And then first you need to do the small pieces. Need to prepare like these small pieces, and you can drop it down after making these small pieces and washing this climber, and then put it full of water. You can see the water, yeah, over here, and you can put maximum two. Yeah, I cut it down in two pieces. Yeah, okay, it's all right. And you can cover this copper lid. Yeah, I cover it, and then you can use one after 24 hour. Then you can start to drink, and you can drink up to 1 week. Yeah, 1 week. Do not remove these Giloy pieces, Gurjo pieces. Do not remove, because eh, yeah, after 1 week you can throw these pieces and again repeat the same process, and you can drink in the empty stomach or whatever you like. You can drink like normal water. You can change the water when water finish. You can put more water in the copper jug and use it. And when you do the repeat the process, um, I recommend to use. Please use this, throughout the year if possible. If not possible, you can drink, in every month. It is more recommendable. Uh, I like to request you, please. It is very simple. It is a very simple method. And you can put it down uh, like this way. Yes, I already discussed you about the health benefit of the Gurjo, and it is very important medicinal plants. And then the number one health benefit of Gurjo is for gout patients or uric acid patients, locally known as Bath-rog in Nepali and Hindi language as well. And when you use this regularly, it's really work. And the number two for the sugar patients, they can use regularly and they can drink this water. Um, it eliminates your sugar, the excessive sugar level in your blood. It's really work. And number three is it's really work for the heart related problem. It's really reduce the cholesterol level, and not only for that, it's really work for jaundice patient. It's really improve your liver system as well. Please use regularly, and I would like to request you, please don't destroy this climber. You need to propagate this one by the cutting methods. Just a simple cutting method, you can grow this Giloy plant, and do not destroy the whole climber in the forest. Your responsibility to grow up in your home, in your garden, even in your nearby forest. It is your responsibility, and as you know that hundreds of diseases will be eliminated or will be cured by using Giloy or Amrita or Gurjo plant. I hope you will prepare this Gurjo syrup. It is very simple method. They cut it down and put into the water and close the lids, and after 24 hours you can use it. I hope you will know how to use the Giloy or Amrita, and you can use the different form of the different forms, like in the powder forms. Other you can make the tea as well. When small pieces of Giloy or Amrita put into the water and boil it, and a little bit of salt, you can prepare black salt with black salt, and then it is the perfect method of preparing the Giloy tea or Gurjo tea in your home. There are many methods of using Giloy. The number one important thing is that it is need to Giloy climber in your home, and I hope if you regularly use this climber, lots of health benefits will be achieved. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like my video, you can thumb up my video and subscribe and share whatever you like. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.